Paul here from EMD at Carrying Bar, Sydney. So once you finish repairing the light, the plug, this is the new one. Make sure you take the rear tail light out. There's only 4 screws holding it on. Just remove the rear tail light. The reason why, because you have to put those pins in. See those pins? Those are the red one and the blue one onto the actual tracks. And the reason why I take it out is because, see down there, the wiring in the car is pretty short. And sometimes you can pull too hard and you actually pull the actual wiring off the actual circuit board there, and you have more damage to do. Then you have to buy, then you gotta pull it out again and solder, and then you gotta actually muck it up. Alright? Just pull it apart, pull the tail light out, fit that in, fit the wiring in, fit that into here. Now you gotta spin it. Like that. See how it sits perfect. Fit it in there, nice and neat. Push it in, and actually then go from there. All right. If you're wondering how many screws are holding the tail light on, just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one's on the side. Those 3 at the back. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.